Now students, come to the part number 4. In part number 4 you can see we have this question. When we have to start a solution, we write the question again. In question you can see we have 2 raised by 3, 2 raised by 6 and divided by 2 by 3. Numerator is 2 raised by 3 and denominator is 2 raised by 6 divided by 2 raised by 3. Now students, first we try to solve the denominator because there is no solution of here of numerator. So we first solve this. We have same basis, we write the base one time. Exponents are different, so there is a sign of division, so division converted into minus, so we write the exponent like this, 6 minus 3. Now come to the next step. You can see denominator as it, and in denominator we solve it. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Both are same, but we do the solution of this by taking basis same. ठीक है, we write to as it 3. जब बच्चे कोई भी वैल्यू नीचे से ऊपर जाएगी तो वो माइनस हो जाएगी. सो 3 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. जब पार्ट 0 हो जाएगी then your value will be equal to 1. So this is your answer. I have repeated again. ठीक है, किसी की भी पार्ट जब 0 होती है तो वो फुल वैल्यू 1 की इक्वल हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 5. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. Now come to the solution. We write the question again. Students, you can see here bases are same but exponents are different, so we write the base one time and try to write the exponents. Minus 3 in first we have, in second value we have minus 6. We write in bracket. Due to plus multiply sign, we write here plus sign, and here we write plus 5. Why? Because when we move upper side to the fraction, this value convert into plus. यानी कोई भी वैल्यू जब नीचे से ऊपर जाती है तो वो प्लस हो तो माइनस हो जाती है, माइनस हो तो प्लस. यू कैन, हमारे यहाँ एक्सपोनेंट माइनस 5 है तो ऊपर जाके प्लस 5 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, देन कम write the base one time and we try to do the solution of this. Minus 3 plus minus minus, so we write here minus and plus 5 as it. Write the base minus 9. Minus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 9. Minus minus plus, so 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, but we put the sign of greatest digit. Plus sign as it, 5 as it. Plus minus minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 with the sign of greatest value. Now we have to change the negative exponent into positive exponent. In student, जब हम इनके एक्सपोनेंट पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव में जाते हैं तो हम इनका एक्सपोनेंट लेते हैं. सो 1/2 का एक्सपोनेंट 2/1 मीन 2 और प्लस माइनस 4 का एक्सपोनेंट 4. सो 2 रेज पर 4. इसका मतलब ये है कि 2 का 4 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई 8 एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई 16. सो आई रिपीट हियर, जब स्टूडेंट्स आपको नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट को सॉल्व करना है तो आप उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं. तो बेस का रेसिप्रोकल 2, 1/2, 2/1, 1 राइट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. प्लस माइनस 4 कन्वर्ट इनटू प्लस 4. ठीक है, देन कम टू द 6th part. This is your question, and for the solution we write a question again. You can see denominator has same basis, numerator has same basis, and also denominator has same basis. So for the solution, in denominator we write the base one time and write the exponents. 5 multiply sign convert into plus sign and we write the exponent minus 5 in bracket, and same we do here in denominator. Come to the solution. So we write the base as 5 plus minus minus 5 and 3/2 4 plus minus minus, so we write here minus 4. ठीक है, देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट 5 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0, बेस हम ऐसे ही राइट करेंगे. देन दिस बेस ऑल्सो वी राइट एज इट exponent is 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. This value is equal to 1 and this also value is equal to 1. So answer is 1. You can see your question for here. Come to the home assignment. Home task is exercise 4.4. Question number 3, part 1 to 6 you can solve. You will solve on your notebooks and you will learn review exercise number 4, question number 1. This is at page number 57. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, take care and do the practice of this question. Its remaining part of question number 3 we will inshallah solve in next lecture. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.